In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to rewrite and optimize a YouTube video description. First, I head to the Perplexity search bar to enter my initial request. I am providing a very basic description about baking a chocolate cake and asking the AI to transform it into a professional, SEO-optimized version with clear headings, an organized ingredients list, and 5 relevant hashtags. Once I click the Submit button, the AI immediately generates a polished and structured description. This result provides a catchy title and breaks the content down into helpful sections like why viewers will love the recipe and a clear list of ingredients to make the video much more professional. Next, I want to try a different style to see how versatile the tool is. I move down to the follow-up bar and ask the AI to transform that same text into a high-energy version that is concise and hooks the viewer in the first 2 sentences. I'm also setting a limit of 150 words to keep it punchy. After I hit enter, the AI produces a high-energy rewrite that focuses on grabbing attention immediately, with an exciting hook and a fast-paced tone. This version maintains all the essential recipe details and hashtags while being much shorter and more engaging for a younger or faster-paced audience. Using these simple prompts allows me to quickly generate multiple styles of content for my channel in just a few seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.